Hey everybody, this is Sonia the RV DJ. Today I figured I would show you the installation of the wiper blades on my 2018 Chevy Colorado. Considering that the running board installation video and the K&N air filter installation video did really well, I figured I'd show you this. So we're going to be going with the Rain-X Silicone Advantage wipers. I love using Rain-X wipers. I also use the Rain-X washer fluid. I already took the passenger side blade off, as you can see, but pretty much what you have to do to get the blades off, there's this cap right here, and you just pull up on this cap and the blade will just come off. Just pull off the blade off the arm. As you can see, this is the type of arm that the truck has. It's not a J-hook. It's pretty much you pop it in there, close the cap, and it's on. So I will get the other blade, the passenger side blade ready. It looks like this. Don't forget to take the yellow guard off of the blade. And I'll be right back with you. So you're going to need a screwdriver to put up under that tab, that cover there, to pop it up, because it is a bit of a pain to do with your fingers. Then after you pop that cover off, you're going to pull up on this little plastic part that says Rain-X and expose the inside part of the connector. After you do that, you're literally going to lay the wiper blade arm on top of the connector, like that, and snap this shut, and that's it. Just double check everything, make sure that it stays. And you're good to go. That's it. You repeat the process for the driver's side. And like I said, just remember to pull the yellow guard off of the wipers before you use it for the first time. And they're there. They're all on, all secure. I like these Rain-X Silicone Advantage wiper blades a lot. I do change them out every 6 months. And they do a great job paired with the Rain-X washer fluid. So I hope you enjoyed this installation of the wiper blades on my 2018 Chevy Colorado. Super simple install. A lot easier than most other vehicles, I think. And we'll see you in the next video.